Hey everybody, this is Bill from Just for Fun Aviation. Hey, it's been a little while since my last videos, but I'm finally back out Aero Country Airport, McKinney, Texas. Beautiful day here. Looking for some planes taking off, so hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. Like it, thumbs up, subscribe, that'd be great. I will say there is something interesting here I've never seen at the airport. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around, but hopefully you guys can tell me what this is. I'm not sure what type of plane this is. Very unique to be sitting here at this small regional airport. Again, here's the airplane. I'm not sure what type of fuselage this is or why it's here. Again, this is a smaller airport, so I'm not sure what's going on with this. Hopefully you guys can tell me kind of what you think this plane is or why it's here. Maybe they're dismantling, I'm not sure, or recycling components. But again, very interesting fuselage for a very small airport here in McKinney, Texas. So hopefully you can post comments or something, let me know what's going on here. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoy the videos. Looks like an airplane's needing a tow to the, I guess, get some gas. Not sure. Never seen that before. Golf cart pulling an airplane. Interesting. Aero Country, McKinney, Texas. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. everyone, I think that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos out here at Aero Country Airport in McKinney, Texas. Again, a great day for outside and just watching planes take off and land. Hopefully I get another video posted next week or two, but thanks for checking in. Hope you guys having a great day. Stay safe.